Myself, P.C. Pandey, Tagore Public School, Surajgarh. As you know that online classes will be continued delivered by the Tagore Public School. You see my videos regular and like, share and subscribe. Today I tell you about some numericals on the basis of माइक्रोस्कोप एंड टेलीस्कोप। आज मैं आपको माइक्रोस्कोप और टेलीस्कोप से रिलेटेड कुछ प्रॉब्लम, न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम बताएंगे। इसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द फोकल लेंथ of the focal length of the objective and eyepiece. Focal length of the objective and eyepiece are 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. The focal length of the objective and eyepiece are 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. In a compound microscope, an object is placed at 6 centimeter from the objective. Calculate the magnification. Calculate the magnification produced by microscope. The least distance of distinct vision. The least distance of distinct vision is 25 centimeter. So in question we see that the focal length of objective and eyepiece are given and the distance of object from the objective is also given. So find out magnifying power of the compound microscope. We find out value of image harmed by the objective. The focal length of objective f naught is 4 centimeter. Focal length of eyepiece 6 centimeter. We know that in case of compound microscope, the aperture and focal length of eyepiece is more than objective. Distance of object from the objective is 6 centimeter. So first of all, we find out value of V naught by lens formula. By lens formula, we know that 1 by f is equal 1 by v minus 1 by u. लेंस फार्मूला से हम जानते हैं कि 1 by f इक्वल 1 by v माइनस 1 by u. यहाँ ऑब्जेक्टिव से ऑब्जेक्ट की डिस्टेंस 6 सेंटीमीटर है, तो यहाँ फोकल लेंथ ऑब्जेक्टिव के लिए यूज करते हैं. So this can also be written as 1 by f naught is equal 1 by v naught minus 1 by u naught. Here f naught is the focal length of objective, v naught is the distance of image formed by objective, u naught is the distance of object from the objective. The value of u naught is known, so we have find out value of v naught. Hence 1 by v naught is equal, or this can also be written as, or 1 by v naught is equal 1 by f naught plus 1 by u naught. Now putting value of f naught and u naught in this equation, we can find out value of v naught, that is distance of image from the objective. So 1 by v naught is equal 1 by, the value of f naught is 4 plus 1 by, the value of u naught is 6 centimeter, but we see here that object is at 6 centimeter from the objective. So this distance is taken as 6 minus 6. So here we put minus 6. So this can be written as 1 by v naught is equal 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. Taking LCM, here we find out value of LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. So this is written as 3 minus 2, or 1 by v naught is equal 1 by 12, or we can say that v naught is equal 12 centimeter. तो यहाँ ऑब्जेक्टिव से ऑब्जेक्ट की डिस्टेंस 6 सेंटीमीटर है, तो ऑब्जेक्टिव से इमेज की डिस्टेंस 12 सेंटीमीटर ऑब्टेन होती है. ऑब्जेक्टिव से ऑब्जेक्ट 6 सेंटीमीटर पे है, तो इसकी इमेज के लिए नाउ वी कैन फाइंड आउट मैग्निफिकेशन of the compound microscope. When final image is formed at D, so m is equal minus v naught by u naught into 1 plus d by fe. The value of v naught is 12 and u naught is minus 6. 1 plus the value of d is 25 by fi is 6, and this is equal to Here this value is written as minus 2 into 31 by 6, or this can be written as m is equal minus 31 by 3, or m is equal minus 10.33. Here minus sign represents that the magnifying power of microscope is negative. Similarly, next question. The focal length of the focal length of the objective and the focal length of the objective and eyepiece in a compound microscope, in a compound microscope are 1 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. The length of tube, the length of the tube, the length of the tube is 20 centimeter. To calculate magnifying power of the microscope when final image is formed at infinity, distance of distinct vision, distance of the distinct vision is 25 centimeter. In this question we see that the focal length of the objective and eyepiece in a compound microscope are 1 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. The length of the tube is 20 centimeter. To calculate magnifying power of the microscope when final image is formed at infinity, distance of the distance vision is 25 centimeter. The focal length of objective f naught is 1 centimeter and focal length of eyepiece is given 5 centimeter. Since we know that the focal length of eyepiece is more than objective in case of compound microscope, tube length is given 20 centimeter. And this distance of vision, that is value of D is equal 25 centimeter. When final image is format infinite, when final image is formed at infinite, when final image is formed at infinite, जब फाइनल इमेज इनफाइनाइट बनता है, देन ट्यूब लेंथ L is equal V naught plus F I. फाइनल इमेज इनफाइनाइट पे तब बनता है जब आई पीस के सामने ऑब्जेक्ट फोकल लेंथ पे होता है, फोकस पे ऑब्जेक्टिव से बना इमेज आई पीस के लिए वर्चुअल ऑब्जेक्ट कॉल करता है, और यही ऑब्जेक्ट अगर आई पीस के फोकस पे होता है तो उसका इमेज इनफाइनाइट बनता है. In this condition, the tube length is equal, L is equal V naught plus Fi. So here we find out value of V naught. So V naught is equal L minus Fi. Tube length 20 centimeter and focal length of eyepiece is 5 centimeter. So distance of image formed by objective V naught is equal 15 centimeter. Now we find value of U naught. When final image is formed at infinite, then magnifying power of the compound microscope is given as M is equal minus V naught by U naught into 1 plus into D by Fi. When final image is formed at infinity, then magnifying power of compound microscope given as M is equal minus V naught by U naught into D by Fi. Here M is equal, the value of V naught is 15 minus 15 by value of U naught. So here we find out value of U naught from length formula. From length formula, we know that 1 by F naught is equal 1 by V naught minus 1 by U naught. Or you can find out 1 by U naught is equal 1 by U naught is equal 1 by V naught minus 1 by F naught. माइनस 1 बाई यू नोट को लेफ्ट साइड रिप्लेस करते हैं, ये वैल्यू पॉजिटिव हो जाती है. 1 बाई एफ नॉट को राइट साइड रिप्लेस करते हैं, इसकी वैल्यू निगेटिव हो जाती है. सो 1 बाई यू नोट इज इक्वल 1 बाई वी नोट मीन्स 15 माइनस 1 बाई एफ नोट, दैट इज वैल्यू ऑफ 1. सो यू नोट इज इक्वल, taking LCM 15, this value is 1 minus 15, or this is equal to 1 by U naught is equal minus 14 by 15, or this can be written as or u naught is equal minus 15 by 14. Now putting value of u naught in this equation, we can find out magnifying power. So putting on the place of u naught minus 15 by 14 into 25 by 5. So m is equal, this value is written as, here 50 to 50 cancel. So this can be written as 15, 14 into 5. Here we put value of u naught as minus 15 by 14, but here we write minus. So this value is obtained, m is equal minus 70. Minus 70. So magnifying power of compound microscope is obtained minus 70. Here minus sign represents that image is inverted and real. Similarly, next question, question number 3. In a astronomical telescope, in a astronomical telescope, in astronomical telescope, the magnifying power, the magnifying power in normal adjustment, normal adjustment position is 20. In astronomical telescope, the magnifying power in normal adjustment position is 20. The length of the tube, the length of the tube is 105 centimeter. Calculate the focal length, calculate the focal length of two lenses, that is, find out the focal length of objective and eyepiece. In this question, we see that in normal adjustment, the magnifying power of telescope is 20. So m is equal minus 20, because many fine power is negative. We know that in the case of normal adjustment, the object which is harmed by the objective is placed at the focus of eyepiece. The image which is formed by objective is behave as virtual object for eyepiece. ऑब्जेक्टिव से जो इमेज बनता है वह आई पीस के लिए वर्चुअल ऑब्जेक्ट का कार्य करता है। अब यही वर्चुअल ऑब्जेक्ट आई पीस के फोकस होता है तो उसका इमेज इनफाइनाइट बनता है। तो नॉर्मल एडजस्टमेंट के लिए फाइनल इमेज इनफाइनाइट होगा। इन केस ऑफ ट्यूब लेंथ इज 20 सेंटीमीटर, ट्यूब लेंथ is 105 centimeter. For normal adjustment, tube length L is equal F naught plus Fe. That is, when final image is formed at infinite, so the tube length is L equal F naught plus Fe. Here value of L is given 105. So 105 is equal F naught plus Fe, or we can write F naught plus Fe is equal 105. This is equation first. And also we know that for normal adjustment, the magnification, the magnifying power of telescope M is equal minus F naught by Fe, or we can write here M is equal F naught by Fe. So M is equal, we write the value of magnifying power minus 20. Minus 20 is equal minus F naught by Fe. So we can say that F naught is equal 20 Fe. This is equation second. Now putting value of F naught from equation second in first, we get putting value of F naught from equation, putting value of F naught from equation second in equation first, we get F naught, that is 20 Fe plus Fe is equal 105, or we can write 21 Fe is equal 105, or Fe is equal 105 by 21, that is equal to 5. So we can find out the focal length of eyepiece is 5 centimeter. Putting value of Fe in equation first, from equation first, we get F naught plus Fe is equal 105. So F naught plus 5 is equal 105, or Fe is equal 105 minus 5, that is Fi is equal, F naught is equal 100 centimeter. So we can find out focal length of eyepiece and objective. Focal length of eyepiece is 5 centimeter and focal length of objective is obtained 100 centimeter. In next question, in a reflecting type telescope, the reflector, the radius of curvature the radius of curvature of the reflector concave mirror is 120 centimeter. And magnifying power is 20 centimeter. And magnifying power is 20 centimeter. Then calculate the focal length of the eyepiece. Since we know that in reflecting type telescope, objective is a concave mirror. So radius of curvature of concave mirror is given as 120 centimeter. So focal length f is equal minus r by 2. Since focal length of concave mirror is negative, so this value is 120 by 2, that is f naught is equal minus 60 centimeter. And in reflective telescope, magnifying power m is equal minus m is equal f naught by fi, or fi is equal f naught by m. So fi is equal minus 16 by 20. And since we know that magnification or magnifying power is negative, so here we write minus 20. So focal length of the eyepiece is obtained 3 centimeter. Hence we can find out focal length of the eyepiece, which is obtained 3 centimeter. Thank you.